Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see one interesting topic, that is why should we use DevOps in your business. I am not talking about the big IT companies, software development and all. I am talking about basic, the startup business or any small scale industries. So there are 6 reasons why you need that. So one of them is significant product quality improvement. This will improve your quality because of you doing continuous integration by following the testing procedures. And the next one is an improved user experience. Since this particular project is managed in chunks, there will be separate environment for user acceptance testing. So that is one of them. Reduced production cost. This will lower the production cost since it is doing less time to create, manage and update the content. Enhance software performance. Since it is dealing with multiple team, we have the performance team in place that will enhance the software performance. Rapid deployment is our 5th point, wherein you can see the deployment happens very quickly. Once you have the pipeline in place, you have the reach to production is very less. Increased organization productivity is our last point. So since we have multiple stages in the product development, we have high chances in fact, to follow some great ideas and increase the productivity. I hope this info is helpful for you. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, Srinivasa Tech Solution. This is Srinath signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.